Good morning everyone, I hope you're all well. It's Monday. I thought I would do like a vlog this week where I just do like a little bit of every day. Obviously it's harder to vlog on the days where I'm looking after Gray, but I think I'll be able to do it a little bit here and there, and I thought it would just be nice to do like a whole week or like a Monday to Friday rather than just like one day. I don't really know how to like move on to the next video after my last one. I don't know if this is going to go up next, but yesterday I uploaded my honest Q&A video, and I just wanted to say a massive thank you for all of your lovely, very overwhelming comments. So many people saying they commented for the first time, just loads of really lovely comments. You guys saw there were parts of that video that were quite hard to film, and I'm really glad I did it. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Thank you. Back to kind of usual content, whatever that may be. My content has changed so much over the years. I just find that like beauty stuff doesn't do quite as well on YouTube anymore for me. You guys like the more like relaxed vloggy stuff like this, so I have been doing beauty IGTV videos, which I think you guys are enjoying. So if you want to see more beauty stuff, definitely go look at my IGTV. And I feel like YouTube and Instagram stories and more kind of vloggy everyday stuff, I tend to link more like products and things that I'm wearing over on Instagram stories. So as I said, today is Monday, and that means it's podcast day. Every Monday morning at 10 AM, me and Anna record our podcast. I tend to sit down around now at 9:30, oh god, it's like quarter to 10, and I like prep a little bit, you know, like our weekly 5, I kind of prep what I'm going to talk about. We gather kind of questions from the Facebook group from you guys, and we get ready. This week we are talking about going into your 30s, so this should be a good one. Just finished recording the podcast with Anna. It went really well. It was a really good one. It was nice to chat about going into our 30s and how it made us feel. Anyway, that would already be live if you want to go and have a listen. I think I'm going to try and film a video this afternoon so I can get a little bit ahead with videos. I might do a monthly favourites as I haven't done one in so long. So it's now 12 o'clock. I reckon Rich will be home in about half an hour, and then Gray goes to sleep at about 1 o'clock for like an hour and a half. So I don't want to rush filming. I can't film while she's asleep because she'll literally be next door and I don't want to wake her. So I'm going to use the next few hours to do some other work, to have some lunch and prep for filming this afternoon. It's a little bit later. I've had lunch. Gray's up from her nap. I think they're in the garden, I'm not sure. I'm gonna film a favourites video. I haven't done one in a while. I think I'm just gonna like set up on the floor and be really chilled and casual, because the more relaxed I feel, the more relaxed everything about the video is. That's what I'm planning on doing. I reorganised these cupboards. I haven't really got all the right stuff to go inside, but I gathered all the baskets I had around the house and I've tidied everything up, which is very satisfying. So yeah, I can, oh look, my shredder fits in here. I'm so happy. It's so ugly. So I'm just gonna grab my tripod. I think I'm just gonna like set up over here or something like that. What even month are we in? June. Good morning everyone, it's Tuesday, and this morning I'm very excited. I never thought I'd say this about a baby class, but my friend is hosting like a little private baby class in her garden. There's only 3 of us. She has side access to her garden, so we can like social distance. Gray hasn't been to a baby class for months, and like she wasn't crawling last time we went to a baby class, so I think she's gonna absolutely love it. She's got her nappies. This is like a little romper from Arquette. It's meant to be very hot today. Appreciate this, so I can change her easily. And I'm smothering her in Sunsense sun cream. I love this one. I think it's Australian, which means it's like tested the best. Are you ready? Come on. I have a whingy baby on my hip. I'm just putting some lunch together for her. I've got leftover tuna and sweet corn. These are our homemade pita bread. Yeah, you like that, don't you? But you can't have it now. It's for lunch. We found a new game. Crawling through my dress. It's keeping her entertained whilst I cut up her satsuma. Boo! Boo! The baby class was so cute. It was so nice to take her to a class again. She was really shy at first, but she got into it by the end. She's napping now. I've just been opening some deliveries that we've got. I got a new tripod, which I'm trying out now, so I can do more things like on a desk. It's like a small tripod. a rolling pin because we don't have one and we need it for making pita breads. And then I got her some stuff from Next, like this really cute little lemon romper. How sweet is that? And little white shorts. Oh my god, I just think baby clothes are so sweet. I'm also listening to mine and Anna's podcast that we recorded yesterday to approve it to the editor for Thursday. We're in the garden today. Should we fill this up with water? This is the water table that Gray got for her birthday. We've got this as a hand-me-down from my sister, and we've got the classic red and yellow car, which is always a hit. Right, Gray, should we fill the water table up? Do some splashing. Oh, it's cold. Should we put some warm water in there? Oh, it's okay actually. Splash, splash, splash. Good girl. Should we pour some up here? This is what I look like today. Seriously, what is my hair doing? I just want to tie my hair up on like mum days, but all of these bits drive me crazy. We just shared a Lick a Licks ice lolly in the garden, had some very cute moments. She's properly like learning to stand now, like from the floor, just like standing up. She's been very cute today. Good morning, it is Thursday, which means it's my second work day of the week. As you can see, my hair's looking a little bit different. It's up in a pineapple. It was far too hot last night to straighten my hair. It was like hair wash evening, and it was just so boiling. The idea of straightening my hair just like killed me. So I thought, let's keep it curly and see what happens with it. I'll show you in a minute the products that I used. The issue is, there's a few issues, but the main one is I can't sleep with my hair down. I just can't. I've never been able to. Like, I need it off my neck. I get really hot. So I just like put it up in a pineapple. So I'll show you in a minute what it looks like when I take it down. It's just like in a really loose, like Invisibobble. My hair like isn't curly anymore, obviously, because I've been straightening it every day for so long. Like, it's just like zapped any curl out of it. So what I find is like the roots are really curly. Like, if you can see, like the roots are tight, and then the ends, like, let me take it down and show you. So like where the root of my hair is like these tight curls, which means that my hair kind of goes up. And then like, look, a lot of my hair is just like, even though I like put loads of product in and scrunched it, like that's not curly. It's just like, it's like messy. It just doesn't look like it's done. And then right at the back, there are some kind of curls there. I just don't know, like I don't know where to wear it. If I did like a centre parting, it just like, for everyone who wants me to wear my hair curly, I like used a special towel. I'll show you in a minute. It's like a t-shirt material from Bouclem for curly hair. I used like, I co-washed it just with conditioner. I put some cream in, I put some scrunching jelly. Obviously it's not gonna just like be perfect straight away, but I feel like the only way to commit to curly hair is like stop straightening it. And I just can't, because I really like wearing it straight. I like that it looks a bit like tidier and neater. So like, yeah, this is fine for now. It's so funny that my hair's even like this. It used to be like tight ringlets. I don't know, maybe I could go through with like a little straightener and like define some of the curls. I've got a product that's like a curl refresher, so I'm gonna go now and like wet my hair again and try and like refresh some of it. I'm just not sure. Like, I look like I'm on holiday. It's fine. I look like I'm on holiday. It's just, I hate the kind of unevenness of it, like the tightness that's here, and then these bits, I just don't even know what these are doing. So anyway, that's my update for the morning. I have hair that kind of just looks like I've got out of bed and haven't done it. And that's not because it's curly. Some people have like beautiful soft curls. Mine just like, I don't even know what it's doing anymore. And I'm definitely gonna have to wash it tomorrow. That's the thing, like if I tie it up again tonight, tomorrow, I won't be able to like have it down. So this is the towel that I used. Like I said, it's from a brand called Bouclem, and it's basically like t-shirt material. You can use an old t-shirt, and it's meant to like help protect your curls when you come out of the shower. It kind of gets rid of the excess water without making your hair frizzy like a normal towel would. I used this to wash my hair. Cantu co-washing conditioner. I used a bit of the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream, and then I used some of the Umberto Giannini curling jelly. Also got, where is it? It's a comeback curl next day reviver. So I can see if that works. Okay, so I think the underneath is alright. It's kind of the roots in this front bit, because if I clip up the front bit, that kind of looks alright. I need to see what I can do here. Let me see what this says. Spray on dry or damp hair and section by section to restore, refresh and revive curls. Make them a little bit wet. Oh, it smells like holiday. There's a kid screaming outside, that's not mine. This is the sort of hair like I thought I wanted. Where my hair used to be like tight ringlets, all I wanted was like loose curls, but it's never like quite how you want it, is it? Like, I just don't know what's happening with like the roots. Let me put some of this like spray. I think with curly hair as well, like I have to have a side parting, which I'm just not used to, but that's okay. Right, how's that? It's fine, it's like a summer look. I don't mind it. I just find that like straight hair on me, like straight and then curled, just looks a bit more like put together, but maybe that's just like society has told me that, I don't know, or maybe it's just how I prefer my hair, which is fine. What do you guys think? It's also like such an awkward length at the moment. I'm gonna, what am I doing today? What have I got planned? It's very, very hot. It gets hot in this house. So hopefully I can get some good work done, but I'm gonna film an IGTV. I think I'm gonna do like tips on using Instagram stories. So if that works out and I put it up, you can see it on my IGTV. I'm recording a podcast this afternoon with Emma Guns. That'll be nice. Let me put all these products away. So I filmed, edited and uploaded the IGTV video. It's going down really well so far, so thank you. I was worried that the Instagram story tips would be too basic, but loads of people are saying things that they never knew how to do, so that's great. What am I doing now? I'm going through some like stuff for future jobs. So I just put a picture on Instagram stories and everyone's messaging me saying, try the curly girl method. I've looked into it and I've got all the products and stuff, but like I said, you have to kind of ditch the heat. You have to ditch the straightening, and I just can't do that. I'm tempted to do a little like summer shop this evening. I don't really know what to do because the weather's getting nicer and like I am kind of still technically going out. Obviously not the sort of out that I used to go out, but we go for walks and stuff, and I just have no summer clothes to wear. All of my old summer clothes don't fit me anymore. So I'm tempted to order a few bits, maybe just from like H&M or something. I just don't really know what size I am, and I don't want to have to like go to a shop to send things back. We've slowly been transitioning from these IKEA plastic containers, which kind of are just the wrong shape, to these glass bamboo ones from Amazon. And I was going to go through and label them all now, but I've just realised we've run out of cartridges and I haven't got any more. So I'll have to do these another time. These are so much better. We can fit so much more in. So you've got rice, couscous, spaghetti, self-raising flour, plain flour, porridge, and still all this space. Oh my god, I cannot believe what just happened. I got all ready to record the podcast with Emma and my computer just like crashed. Like the screen just went black, but when I was plugging it in, it's still making the noise like the charger was going in. I tried everything to turn it back on, and then I phoned Apple support, and it's basically effed. It's completely, I don't even know, I think it's like the screen's broken or something. Out of nowhere, this has never happened to me. I have no other computer in the house to work from. Oh, so frustrating. Like I only have 2 days to do work. I was just about to record with Emma. I have so much to do. I need to schedule Sunday's video. And like they're saying I've got to, because of like COVID, I can't go into the stores. There's like limited spaces and all of the local stores are booked up. I've got to send it off for 7 days. Oh god, I feel really panicked. Okay, I just need to like, Emma's fine with delaying the podcast. I need to just chill, and nothing is the end of the world. That's what I have to remind myself in these situations, but how frustrating. Luckily we can do a lot of things from our phones, I guess, but oh, that's so annoying. Technology, hey. Good morning. It's my morning today. I made I made Gray some like apples, stewed apples, and I've just mixed it in with some porridge. Our fruit and veg has arrived, so we just gave it a good rinse in the sink. We've got aubergine, bananas, new potatoes, apples, avocado, broccoli, red peppers, strawberries, and blueberries and satsumas. Look how yummy that all looks. That'll do us for a week. Sorry guys, I have found no time to vlog at all today. I saw a friend in the park with Gray. And now it's bath time. Where's the day gone? I finally found a hat, by the way, that she'll keep on. This is like life-changing. I got it from Next, and it's so cute, and she loves wearing it. I think it's because she can put it on herself. Will you show me how you wear your hat? Yeah! I don't know where Rich is. He's not at home. I have no idea where he is, but I've got her milk ready, and we're gonna go up and do bath time. I need to wash my hair tonight. Definitely needs washing. Feels a bit itchy because of the product. And boo, come on, let's go upstairs for a bath. Come on. She likes crawling the stairs now, but I have to go behind her because she hasn't figured out that she can fall down them. Can you stand up? Yeah! Sorry, I can't help but scream every time. Sorry if you're wearing headphones. Good morning guys, I hope you're all well. Today is Saturday and I thought I would just come on here to finish the vlog really. I'm going to be working this morning. Our days are always split like into two, pre-Gray's nap and after her nap. And I'm going to be working this morning just because Thursday I didn't get any work done because obviously my computer died. I've managed to find like a spare computer to use until I have an appointment in a week's time at Apple. God, anyway, whatever, I'm not going to talk more about my computer, it's so boring. So plan for this morning is to go through all my emails. I have about 500. Lots of those won't be, like, they'll just be newsletters and stuff, I'm sure. But reply to some of my emails, import all the footage from this vlog and start editing this. I need to schedule tomorrow's video, put in all the links and stuff in the description box and do the thumbnail and all the kind of like back end of a video. And then I need to prep for Monday's podcast. So go through the Facebook group, pull some of the questions from you guys, come up with like a kind of rough, not agenda, like plan for the episode and just like start thinking a bit about what I'm going to talk about and plan out my like 5 top things from the week. So that is what I'm going to do. That'll probably take us up to Gray's nap time. We can have some lunch and then this afternoon we're going to go for a family bike ride, which would be so nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know what I vlogged and what I didn't vlog, but we will see when I edit it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.